Hi, it's Dranka again. Here I'm gonna show you, continue my videos on toughness for hardcore Diablo and show you sort of the toughness level I have while I push some pit. Not really pushing, just putting pit to like 68. So right now in town I have 264. Bliss recommends only 35 for like T4. I think if you're playing hardcore you need at least a minimum. Now in town toughness doesn't always show what things are, so you just go see that things kick in, and then once things kick in, the toughness goes to 390. So that's kind of decent. Toughness requirements go up. I would say if you're trying to get to like 100 or something, like a bit 100, you're gonna need like a million, or maybe even 1,000,005 toughness to make it work. Right now, we're not going that far. I'm just gonna do a 66, nothing super duper difficult, and we're doing it with 400 toughness. So that's 400,000 toughness. So that's way above what you think is needed. See, when you're playing hardcore,
This place is
the idea is to be as safe as possible. So this build is really damn straightforward. It's basically jumping around a lot with either arbiter and then massive amounts of divine lance. Yeah, and it's got plenty of damage on the divine lance. Unfortunately, not very good at killing tough. Doesn't have the aura boots, just nuke everything around. Head back to more arbiter jumping action. Go. Okay, dodge the damage. Okay, a lot of toughness. Dodge the damage. Yep. Here is your friend. Give me these things. Trouble. Jump. The form is back up, so a lot of divine lance. What this does? Expanding, and I click advance to make stuff vulnerable and give me the thing about this build is if you spend a bit of time in the air, you can actually do a decent job of avoiding ground attacks. Go in the air, flying tail, ones are really the best to do. Really good. Last time I ran a 66 at the beginning of the game. Slightly luck here. Okay. Most of them my way. Gotta go. Some of the thing with the pit though is you really do have to kill fast. The damage. If you don't have the damage, the toughness as well doesn't happen. All that's helping here is also this crazy ass legendary power sanctified on my chest. Okay. Jump rope definitely. That's one of the nice things for this guy. Basically lets you get out of crowd control effects. Oops, I ate a sword. Okay. More of that. Let's see where this is. Quite explosions happen. A lot of running. Just kill it. Doesn't care if it's killed on point. Once in a while, like, kind of do some more technique and stuff. No other buttons to press. And here we go. Okay, let's see. Those. Yeah, this is pretty sweet actually. Allow 4 minutes. that's good speed for me. So we can do things fast. Okay, this is set to attack. Yep, as his bar build is definitely set to kill bosses like that. One falling star, one divine lance. He has a massive explosion, and he just dies. Which is great because boss fights can be deadly. You can easily lose your tools to boss fights. So having a build that is very much for boss killing bosses can be quite helpful, even though it does make the trip through the pit kind of painful. Okay, well that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and hope you subscribe and keep watching these videos. I'm going to keep seeing how far I can take this build.